Drone delivery is transforming urban logistics. Faster delivery, lower costs, and greater efficiency are driving the growth of low-altitude logistics networks around the world. But one challenge remains: how do you maintain reliable communication in complex urban environments? Between 100 and 1,000 meters, signal obstruction and interference demand highly reliable communication for safe drone operations. Using sub-G and 5G, our dedicated aerial corridors include smart antennas for optimized full flight coverage, so you get reliable command, low latency, real-time telemetry, HD video, and secure isolation, even in the busiest urban areas. Reliable BVLOS connectivity lets drone fleets fly farther, work more efficiently, and scale logistics with confidence. Our delivers antennas and wireless solutions for drone logistics, low-altitude networks, BVLOS, and autonomous delivery. The future of logistics is in the air. Reliable communication is what keeps it moving.